2009, the Boulder Valley School District developed the Sustainability Management System, or SMS. This documents a roadmap for sustainability in BVSD, and it's supported by Board of Education policy. Now, to provide more granularity to the SMS, in 2013, the Sustainable Energy Plan, also known as the SEP, was created to address the significant impact energy has on the district and its budget. Energy is the second greatest expenditure for the district after salaries. The Sustainable Energy Plan was developed to set short-term and long-term goals for energy reduction, to set a time frame for achieving these milestones, and to provide strategies for achieving our goals. It's an evolving document, and it will be updated as necessary. The short-term goal is to reduce the district's average energy baseline by 20%. The baseline year is 2008, and it was set in the SMS. The metric by which energy is measured is known as the Energy Use Index, or EUI. It's calculated as kBTU per square foot per year. Our long-term goal is to reduce the average EUI to less than or equal to 30, and this goal aligns with the stretch goals found in the SMS. In 2016, construction on the 2014 bond projects will begin. We target a 20% improvement of our 2008 baseline in 2019, and 2021 marks the likely completion of the bond implementation. And then finally in 2050, we're targeting a district average EUI of less than or equal to 30. The SEP identifies 3 categories by which our new goals can be addressed: capital construction projects, operations and maintenance procedures, and education and district policy. Just a few highlights from each categories follow. Now, for capital construction projects, BVSD plans to design new buildings or major additions to be ZNE or ZNE capable. ZNE stands for Zero Net Energy. This can most easily be described as an equation. So the energy consumed by the building minus the renewable energy produced, such as solar electricity, would be equal to 0. Now, while any building could conceivably become ZNE with enough renewables, a ZNE building typically becomes economically feasible with an EUI of 30 or less. For existing buildings undergoing major renovation, BVSD will employ deep energy retrofits to reduce existing EUIs approximately 50%. The Sustainable Energy Plan defines O&M strategies that mainly revolve around refining current practices, with a focus on energy efficiency. One new feature that BVSD is implementing is an online real-time energy dashboard. Research shows there's a correlation between energy conservation and real-time information. Our energy dashboard provides instant feedback to staff and students on their own electricity consumption. We can view today's electricity use and compare it to yesterday's. Usage can be translated into CO2 or even dollars. The homepage allows staff and students to commit to conservation measures, and it also features a BVSD Energy Twitter feed. Another tab allows viewers to compare schools' energy use to one another. And there's even a module for our energy challenge, where schools compete to save the most electricity. Education and policy strategies can be summarized as educate staff and students on energy issues, train them on best practices, and then provide incentives to encourage conservation. The annual BVSD Energy Challenge has been a successful educational program. The voluntary event is open to all schools, and it's designed to encourage students and staff to understand more about their energy consumption, find new ways to reduce energy, and ultimately try to reduce what they use at school and at home. Additionally, it's hoped that the dashboard becomes a tool for the energy challenge, and it incentivizes schools to participate in a shared savings program where the utility budget saved from their conservation efforts is shared with the school. Now, this is but a brief overview of the energy plan. If you'd like more information on our programs, or to read the Sustainable Energy Plan in its entirety, please visit our website at www.bvsd.org/green.